No. So to me, Apivar still work. If I had that bad resistance, and then it shouldn't clear that mites, because I had 2% mites in this spring before I put the Apivar in. But I'm very careful not to use Apivar too much. Just use them once a year. If I use them in spring, I don't use them in fall. Problem is just not much options to replace or other mites treatment in fall, especially if the weather doesn't cooperate much to the temperature that you really need. But anyway, today I still going to put formic acid just to closely monitor this. Zero mites. Wow, that's interesting, because if you look on the cover here, last fall, the same day I wrapped them, I gave them a mite wash, and it's October 29th, 2% mites. And this spring, when we opened them to feed them for first feeding, March 19th, it had 2.8% of mites. And that's the same day I put Apivar, left it there for 56 days, and pulled them out and came back today. Today is 27th of May, so it's been a few days since we took that Apivar off. But it's zero mites. Sticky board, just took the wax paper off, and there's a glue here on this side, and this over it, so the base won't stick to it. Oh, just yeah. Mites.
A lot easier of a system.
Yeah. Just like that.
It's
zero mites on this one.
Zero on that one?
Yeah, it's 2.8% mites last when we fed them in March 19th.
Yeah, yeah.
Both of them zero mites. But I'm going to put formic acid just to monitor it if there's any drop from the brood.
See how it goes.
Yeah. Well, I am using the high mites hive for varroa mites monitoring, because I already know that there are mites on those hives. So use that as a reference.
Yeah, yeah.
And then just to confirm the results every time you check them, like last time and this time. And next time, with maybe 5 days from now, we will come back here and check those sticky board if there's any
see what's on
drop from the formic acid. So the reason I'm creating a little hole in here, I'm going to insert this one in here and release the formic without splashing all the way around, and you can put it on right away instead of waiting for the formic to soak in or be absorbed by the pads. Well, for this dosage, I was just following the guides from our BAC guidelines. The side of the pads that has tiny holes, that goes upside down.